First and foremost, all the moderators, please watch the comments. If anything is being rude, you know what to do. Put the people in timeout and things of that nature. So watch the comments. Okay. No, just all I want to say is welcome everybody for joining us tonight. Any questions that you have, please let us know or join us in the studio. That's it, crypto, for now. Hope you have your wine on deck.
Yeah, I got them on deck. Thank you again. Like what Charlene said, all the moderators that is in this studio, please block or remove anybody that has anything offensive or anything on this chat. And I don't know what happened to Brandon. Volatile Podcast, what's going on? Let's see. Second. I believe Clay said he might come on tonight. We'll see. Trance baby. I came to Florida on vacation, been all over Magic Kingdom.
Nice. You must have fun.
Huh. Tracy, what's up?
Too.
Yeah, it's cold down here. And while Paulo is loading up, Jerry George, he's doing great. Yeah, sorry about that. My internet connection was tripping today. Dogelon Chris, what's gone? On fam excited. So how you guys feel tonight about Dogelon Mars, man? Are you guys not feeling bullish? I see somebody in the comment section was saying that, he's starting to lose hope. Isaiah Shatana, I'm starting to lose hope in Dogelon Mars, but I've already invested a few $1,000s, so I can't pull out now. Listen, I'm going to be honest with you. I invested a lot of money in this. You can't hear me?
I can hear you, crypto. I can hear you. I was piggybacking on your conversation, but go ahead. You addressed him, and I'll talk to him after.
Okay. Yeah. The thing about it is, if you guys watch my last video that I had put up last night, it's basically talking about all digital currencies that has utility. I want you guys to are all new softwares. A lot of these major institutions are trying to hop onto these digital currencies. You do not see any other digital currency that has the utility as Dogelon Mars. Reverse aging, okay? Colonizing Mars, so on. You see so many people talking about Dogelon Mars. You guys got to stay confident and focus on what we hold. Diversify if you guys want to diversify your portfolio. Let's see. Brandon Piercy, when do you think we will drop 2 zeros? Honestly, we could drop 2 zeros by the end of this year or maybe in the middle of this year. Paulo, I'm going to remove you and come back. Right.
I
But
just
other
want
than that,
to a real
yeah.
quick crypto. The other gentleman that had a question or saying that he's losing hope. Guys, do not lose hope. Okay, this is what I've said, I think, on our Twitter space in the week. A lot of people, and you guys who's not following my channel, definitely follow my channel, because I drop like a lot of my channel is also news, just like crypto and I work as a team, but I also give out tutorials and understanding of what's going on in the market and like what is cryptocurrencies and just little different things like that. I just dropped a major video today regarding the utility of the token, because the token doesn't have a white paper at this point, but I put all the utility based on all the research that we have done and based on the Amicus token paper. So definitely watch that video, follow my YouTube channel, watch that video. But I wanted to address, nobody need to lose hope. What I notice with people, when they come into the crypto market, they hear that something is hot, bump, 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 and they just want to throw their money in it, right? Without doing research and without understanding the market, okay? The market goes in three ways. You have your uptrend, which is the bearish, which is the bullish going up, uptrend meaning bullish, right? Then you have your downtrend, which is the bearish, and that's what we're going through right now, okay? And then you have the consolidation, which go up and down until it figure out which wants to go up or goes down, okay? What goes up comes down, but it goes back up. Right now, we're going through a pullback. It is normal. We're going through a pullback, aka retracement. Anytime you hear those two words, pullback and retracement, they are the same. It is normal. So don't feel like you got to draw your money out, because if you draw your money out right now, you're going to be losing while we're going to be making millions and billions and trillions. Okay. This token has utility. Please know that. It has something behind it. It is not a meme coin. It is a mission token. The mission is longevity. All right. It has a lot of things behind it. And our partner, which is Methuselah Foundation, who owns 43.2%, right, of the circulating supplies, they're not going anywhere. And they are a utility of the token. And they're doing so many different things. Watch that video I've done today. And I'm not doing these videos just for myself, period. I'm sharing it with you all so you all have faith and know what you invested in, because a lot of people invest in things and you don't do your research. Y'all don't want to take the time out to do your research. You understand what I'm saying? So you take your money out, not even just you, anybody on this live decide to sell, y'all gonna lose. Point blank. While we become millionaire, billionaires, and trillionaires, y'all gonna lose and y'all gonna regret it. And y'all gonna remember this live. Y'all gonna remember this live. So I'm telling you guys, just hold, stomach it. This ain't nothing. We went through worse. I believe we went through worse than this back in November when they did a significant drop. This is nothing. Hold. Actually, you should be thankful that it's low at this point so you can grab some more bags. Because when we lose them 3 zeros, whatever you're buying right now with $30, $50, right? You're not the quantity you're getting right now. When we lose 3 zeros, try to buy that for $50 and see how much quantity you're going to get at that time. You're not. So I think right now we're honored that the prices is what it is, because we can stuff our bags some more. And the people who's considering on coming into the platform and coming into this token, they can jump on it and get a billion for like how much? $800, $900? So just think about it. Don't lose hope. If you lose hope, if you're trying to lose hope, come to Crypto's channel, come to my channel, and you'll get your positivity back. Trust.
Charlene, tell them about, like, you already spoke to them about the utility.
Correct.
But let them know how, like, with you doing your research and you're getting to Dogelon Mars, tell them, like, how do you feel about this digital currency? Like, what is your aspect of you thinking what's going on?
I feel great. I mean, honestly, like I said in my video earlier, and many of you probably already watch it, I am very passionate about this token. Like, I am so hyper about it. Like, okay, so like I said in my video today, right? they talk about diversifying. You're supposed to diversify your portfolio, right? They always say don't put all your eggs in one basket. But to be honest with you, I don't mind putting all my eggs in one basket of Dogelon Mars because within there is so many diversified. You can split your money up within there. Soon we're gonna have X Elon. We don't have it right now, but they're working on that. With that right there, you can actually stake your tokens and get get some X Elon as a return. So that's like an option right there. They're heading into the metaverse. We already have partnership with Sin City. It's partnership right now. They're not fully on there yet. They're building out with the Polygon contract. They're building out network for that part of it. Okay, so we have that coming. We have Methuselah Foundation who have a plethora of things going on. They want to make the 90s the new 50s. Okay, look at the longevity. They're working with Alzheimer's to try to reverse that process with that. They have Extherma dealing with organ transplanting from one area to the other area. They have Kind Match, which is the kidney transplant. It's so many things. So as far as how I feel about it, I made the best investment because, to be honest with you, what I'm investing right now is generational wealth. I can see the next at least 8 to 10 generations. My family's set. With the amount of coins I have, tokens I have, my family's set for the next 5 to 10 generations that I'm not even going to see. So I'm very proud of what I have. I'm a hodler till the end. Like I said, putting all my eggs in one basket. Yeah, I do it with this. I do it with this because I know what I hold. I know what I hold. We're not even a year yet into the coin, guys. A year is not going to be till April 23rd. We haven't even touched altcoin season yet. It's going to start like the end of February. So don't lose faith. Don't lose faith. It's okay. I mean, people who don't understand the market, it's okay to have that butterflies and stuff, but this is normal, guys. It's normal. You're going to lose if you sell. I promise you that. That I can promise you. You're going to lose if you sell. And you're going to be doing them air punches and all that stuff. And I'm telling you, you are. And crypto and myself,
facts.
Crypto and myself come on here. We hold our Twitter space in the week. We come on here on Saturday. You've seen us at least. We had to do an emergency Twitter space on Tuesday. We were working this week for you guys. We came on Tuesday night. We gave y'all the floor. We came on Wednesday night. We gave y'all the floor. And we're coming on tonight because of all the FUD that was going on out there. We're doing this for you guys. We ain't trying to withhold this information to us. We don't have to come on here. We got lives. We got kids. We got family we got to deal with, But we come on here for you guys because we're sharing this knowledge. We're going to get blessed. We're going to get blessed. We ain't trying to keep this. That's how I feel. I'm very passionate, and know that I really feel like by the end of this year, by the end of this year, we're gonna lose 3 zeros, and it's not 3 zeros from where we're at. It's gonna be 3 zeros from where we were at, the 5 zeros. This little zero right here is just a little thing so we can get more bags and stuff like that, so people can get in. You understand? So we're gonna lose 3 zeros, not from the 4 0, not from the 6 zeros we're at, from the 5 0 we're at. We're gonna lose 3 zeros. We got Brandon on the line.
Thank you.
Hey family. Hey Dogelon Mars family.
He's the TA guy. Besides him and Pablo, they're the technical analysis guys that does charts and everything like that. So they're a part of our crew. You know what I'm saying? They on the Twitter space with us. They're on our live tonight with us, sharing the platform so they can at least talk to you guys when it comes to the market and to let you all know, because they're the chart guys. I know about the charts too, but they are the technical analysis. They go more, they're like the doctor, the surgeon of the charts. They go more into it, So Brandon, what would you like to say to everybody?
Okay, so before I get into the charts, thank you so much, Charlene, for giving that valuable information, and also to Brown, to the Dogelon Mars family. That was some real stuff. And guys, you have to know what you hold. we're holding something golden, right? A golden. It's like a gold bar that we're holding. You know, those are on Mars, but something better than a gold bar. You know, and it's such a beauty and a blessing that we're gonna go to Mars, like literally, and it's so many things that the people behind this project they're working on. They're currently in the works of working towards getting everything done behind these projects. So it was really just a matter of just holding it. I was looking at the charts and I can't wait to show you guys in a minute. Like, we're overall bullish, right? We are overall bullish. I mean, yes, there are pullbacks, but just know when you see those pullbacks and when you check your crypto exchange, you may be down a couple of percentages. We're all down a couple of percentages here and there. But overall, we have more green days than red days, right? We have more green days than red days. And when you are in that mindset, it's like you cannot have fear. You cannot go based off your emotions when you are down. All right. So I'm actually gonna flip my camera. Can I actually do this on the iPhone?
Brandon, you logged in from your phone, correct? You didn't log in
Yes.
from the laptop? Because I believe
Yes.
if you had logged in from the laptop, I'm thinking that you probably could have shared your screen. I think this might be a shared screen button there. Well, if you're on your phone, it's gonna be there on your phone to share screen. But because you have the charts on your laptop, would you be able to log in? Would you be able to pull up a new tab on your laptop and log into the studio from there so you could share your screen?
I can't because my camera is something wrong with my
Oh, the
camera.
camera's coming from. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Unless you flip the phone, to your
Yeah.
laptop.
Yeah, I could do that in a second. Um, like this.
Yeah, if you can kind of do it like that.
Okay. Can you guys see? Can you see the numbers?
Can y'all see? Drop it in the chat.
You're good, Brandon. Let them know what you're talking.
Okay. Okay. Cool. All right. All right, all right, Dogelon Mars family. So currently, all right, we are at 0901. All right, 0901. And overall, the overall trend, we actually broke the trend. All right. So we were in the overall downtrend a couple of weeks ago, a couple of months. But over here, we broke the trend right here. So we're now in the uptrend. So as you guys could see right here, these little dollar signs, these are called liquidity zones, right? These are the lows. So this is where all the money is sitting at right now. So people who have multiple orders, they have sell orders placed at these lows right here. These long wicks where the money's at, these are liquidity zones. So this is where all the money's at. Vice versa, for the long wicks on top right here, this is where money's placed at. These are the highs. Okay, these are considered highs. So now, Dogelon Mars is actually in consolidation. But however, what I realized that it actually formed a bearish rising wedge pattern. So guys, a bearish rising wedge pattern is basically a forex, a retail pattern basically, and this is a sell pattern. So basically, the big investors, the big institutions, they create these patterns within the forex market. Not forex. Well, the crypto market, they create these patterns within the crypto market, and not only that these patterns pertain to forex and crypto, but they also have it in stock as well, right? So back to what I was saying, the bearish rising wedge, these patterns are to trap the retail investors, the retail crypto investors, all right, that actually trades crypto, to trap them and to like in a way fake them out. So however, we are consolidating right now between 0854, and we're also consolidating between 0940. So what I want to see is I want to see this high right here, the high at 0940 to get ran. So I want this high to break and close above and retest that high and to shoot up. So so basically the next high that we should be looking at is honestly over here. This is one right here. So 1089, right? 1089. Okay. 1089. That's the next high. If we do see a break above 0940. All right. And also it could also go to 1250. All right, it could shoot up to 1250. So that's one of my analysis that I'm looking at. So it could go both ways. However, now, if it breaks and closes below 0854, we could see this coming down into the lower levels and then also trading into 0650. All right. And we see it shoot all the way back up. So my overall analysis, honestly, what my gut is honestly telling me is that it's really gonna break that 0854. That's what I'm feeling. It's gonna trade back below here to 0650 and shoot back up. Literally. So people that's trading this right now, this is honestly literally like a fake out. You know, so what I would really want to see is this shooting going all the way back up. That's my overall analysis. So that's about it, guys.
So, Brandon, so you're saying where will we touch? Where do you think we're gonna touch by next month?
By
Just,
next month.
just speculation.
All right. So where I see where we could touch next month, depending on the fundamentals as well. And shout out to Charlene and you as well for putting out great fundamental news. I'm also going to look into that as well. However, fundamentals play a huge role in it as well. So, everything goes well, we should honestly see this shoot up, honestly. But what I'm feeling is honestly Dogelon trading in the lower levels overall, to be honest, and coming back up. So next month, we should honestly be bearish, and then we should see a jump back up. That's how I'm feeling.
By next month?
By next month, we should be bearish. In the middle of the year, we should be bullish. Go bullish. That's what I'm feeling.
Okay.
I'll say like April, May, June. Yeah.
Now I remember Charlene was talking about May is a month to remember as well. I believe it was like May 12th. I believe.
Yeah, that date. That date, target date.
Right. With without Methuselah selling, we're not talking about that, but just that date can be something that can be happening on around that time.
Mm-hmm.
Like
I know April 23rd
will be kicking your something in the near future.
I know April 23rd is going to be a year that the coin has been on the market on April 23rd. And then May 12th with that target date for Methuselah. But Methuselah's not going anywhere. But I feel something's going to happen. Some pump, something going to happen,
Mm-hmm. Right. But overall, guys, what I'm really seeing us is trading into the lower levels and shooting back up around May, as crypto stated. Like we should see something in May, June, July, around that time. Bullish. Even though we're going to be in altcoin season by next month, I believe, right, Charlene?
Yeah, like the end of the month going into March.
Right. So things should start, building up, and start kicking by that time. And we should see a bullish, heavy bullish movement. June, July, May, June, July. But guys, just keep on stacking, honestly.
And what's your tech analysis as well? Do you believe that we're gonna be sitting where we at now, or I don't believe that we should be gaining another zero, correct?
No, honestly, no, we shouldn't be getting another zero right now at the moment. Honestly, we will be like adding to zeros. Honestly, going down further.
Right.
Yeah.
Right, and that's I like the charting that you did, Brandon. And for if
Thank
anybody has questions, put it down in the comment section below. Let us know, if you want Brandon, Charlene, or I to answer any of your questions. Feel free. But
Definitely feel
again,
free.
like Brandon knows what he's talking about, and I have great faith in Brandon and his technical analysis. You know, at the end of the day, family, I want you guys to understand this isn't just a regular coin. Just like XRP is the fastest digital currency that was ever created, this currency has a totally different utility. And again, go to Making Crypto with Shar on her YouTube channel. Subscribe because she's breaking down every bit of the detail of utility Dogelon Mars has, the partnerships, okay, and who they're connected to. Who doesn't want reverse aging? So I see our Anderson, he said, forget about Mars. I'm waiting for it to reach Uranus. Now, also, you guys have to choose your own exit plan. The reason why we do these lives and spaces, we would like to try to answer some of you guys' questions, but not just that. Figure out your exit plan. What are you guys going to do? Me, I ain't selling. I preach about having diamond hands, but you want to get yourself in a better situation.
I think Pablo is trying to log on. I don't know. He's just still spinning.
Yeah, Paulo's still spinning. Yeah.
He said he don't. I
I
was reading.
messaged him on Twitter.
He said I don't. He goes. He's here. He goes. I don't know why it's not allowing me. But Brandon, It was easy for you to pop on, right, Brandon? You never had issues with the link.
No,
Me
it was easy.
either.
Yeah, but yeah, guys, and I also wanted to add to crypto as well. He was stating, that this is not a normal coin. Like, you guys got to understand that it's not a normal coin. Dogelon Mars has a mind of his own. Like literally, right? But I really heavily see this coming down, trading.
I see a W.
Yes,
That W.
literally. This is what I'm looking at overall, trading back down and then shooting back up. Honestly, this is what I'm feeling like. And also the fundamentals, everything starts to pick up more news, more success stories and stuff like that. It's honestly gonna just go crazy. It's gonna go crazy. But right now we're just ranging at 0.0940 and 0.854. But yeah, it has to correct. That's what I'm seeing. And also, guys, this right here is an impulse and a continue correction and also a continuation. So we have to honestly continue back down, fill up all of these gaps, and then shoot back up, literally. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. But if you have any questions, definitely drop it in the chat, the chat box, and just continue to hold, guys. We gotta understand that this is not a normal coin.
You guys give me a bit. I'm trying to help Paulo to get in here. If you don't mind, Brandon, try to run the show if you don't mind. Or Charlene.
Yeah, Charlene.
I'll be back.
How long was Dogecoin around before it blew? Shout out to Crypto Scout NJ. Charlene, can you answer that?
Hang on. Okay. Oh, I thought I was can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I want to say I've seen I think 2014 or something like that. I think 2014. I'm not sure. If anybody know about Dogecoin, just drop it in the chat. I want to say 2014 is when it came in. Not sure.
Yeah, definitely somebody
Because
dropped.
what happened when I got into Dogecoin, I got into it. It was February at 4 cents. 4 cents is when I didn't hear about it from before. Like I just didn't, wasn't into it that much from before. So I got it at 4 cents. I just threw $75, right? And I think it was 3,500 shares. I tell you, anytime the price go up, you ain't gonna get the billions. You ain't gonna get the millions. I paid $75 at 4 cents, and it was 3,500 shares, 3,500. And in a matter of weeks, that $75 flipped to $2,800. I was like, blood, please.
Wow.
Couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. I was like, what? And that's just $75. So imagine, and just imagine, you all buying it. We should be honored. Really and truly, we should be honored at the prices right now, guys.
Honor, guys. Honor.
We can literally stuff our bags. You understand what I'm talking about? Yeah, Dodgers 2013. There we go. Protein 40. 2013. Yes.
2013. Yes.
I was off by a year.
And also, Dogelon Master, I don't have exit plans. No exits for me. Continue to hold Dogelon Master. Definitely. Shout out to you, Mr. Street. Hey, shout out to Mr. Street. Have you guys heard of any progress in Methuselah Foundation Deep Space Food Challenge? Charlene, can you answer that?
What was the question? Hold on. What was the question? Repeat it.
Mr. Street said, have you guys heard any progress in the Methuselah Foundation Deep Space Food Challenge?
I know that they had the part 2. I know crypto probably maybe saw something like that. I saw that something that they Twitter out, like they had a part 2 going on now or something. But I'll leave that for crypto to answer on that one. But I think they finished the first part of the phase of the deep food, and I think they started part 2 of the challenge, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay. Yes, the crypto will definitely get back to your question, Mr. Street. Crypto Scout NJ, Paulo on dial up, AOL dial up. Ken Lee, thanks. I invest about the same. Shout out to you, kindly. Dogelon Master, filling my bags. Yes, continue to fill your bags. Crypto Scout NJ, keep stacking. Yes. Kindly, I'm very new to all this crypto world. Only been about 2 months investing, if that. Wow.
Okay. Kindly follow my channel. I dropped the link below, and the link is pinned to the top, because I give news like crypto, but I also give like tutorial. If you're like beginners like yourself, definitely follow my channel. The link is below, and the link is pinned to the top.
Definitely follow her channel, kindly. Her link is pinned below, and it's there. Martian, let's let it bounce in this range for a minute. Definitely.
Yeah.
So we should definitely see.
It's consolidating. Let it bounce up and down, up and
down.
That thing, honestly, like it does. Like Brandon was saying, it has a mind of its own. I've been saying that from before. It follow BTC somewhat, but to be honest, it has its own trajectory.
Yeah.
It has its own trajectory.
Yeah, guys. So for all the new people that has just joined, this is an analyst on Dogelon Mars. I'm just gonna give another breakdown for you guys. So currently, right now, we are in the uptrending market. Okay, so these little dollar signs right here, this is basically called liquidity zones. All right, liquidity zones. So we have and basically like over here on the bottom right here, these long wicks are called lows. So the wicks at the bottom are called lows. So this is where all the retail liquidity money is sitting at. So people who have sell orders in Dogelon Mars, sell limit orders, basically, they plan on trading it below, basically. So same as for like prime example over here, we have at the high. So we have also, these are called buy limit orders, basically. So retail investors have. Okay. So right now, currently we are at 0903, and we're just bouncing in range. We're just bouncing in this range, basically. We're just consolidating. Consolidation means that we are in a range of price, and price hasn't broke a support or resistant level yet. Okay. And overall, not only that this is we are in the uptrend, but this is called a bearish rising wedge. So basically, this is a bearish rising wedge pattern, and right over here, this was an impulsive move, basically, which means that the market was pushed down heavily, and then it corrected. So we are in a correction right now, and we are expecting a continuation to the downside, okay, and to go back up. Now, over here, so as we are ranging right now, what I really want to see is price to go more further down. I really want to see it break 0854 so we could continue to stack our bags whilst we trade below here at 0650, and we trade below here, fill up all of these orders, come back down and shoot back up. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at overall. So any other questions, you guys could definitely drop it in the chat. Just reading some of the comments. Tyro White, I had definitely taken advantage of the dip in the 6s and 8s. So now I'm sitting pretty. Yes, shout out to you, Tyro White. Definitely, I know you're stacking your bags as well. Kindly, thank you, Brandon. No problem. Dogelon Master. Crypto Brown's camera is acting strange. It looks like it's a hologram. Kindly, I wish I had Brandon knowledge. Most definitely. And also kindly, definitely tap in with Charlene, Making Crypto with Char. Her YouTube channel is pinned, and she has some great information for you as well. And I'm also gonna drop my YouTube as well after my channel, and I do technical analysis for Dogelon Mars. Kindly, what's bullish? Basically, bullish is for buys. Basically, that's in a buy, heading in a buy direction. Dogelon,
Uptrend,
yeah,
uptrend.
Uptrend. Dogelon Master, you guys give me gas to buy more Dogelon Mars. Yes, and I actually had to buy some this week as well. I had to stack my bags too. Ernesto Kelly, the Meth Foundation has created a biogerm that will be able to fertilize soil in a biodome on Mars. They still have to take enough food seeds to grow on site. That itself is huge. Yes, shout out to you, Ernesto Kelly, for that great information. And most definitely, Methuselah Foundation, they are in the works of creating so much stuff. Like, it's crazy. It's honestly crazy, and I'm just so happy for what there is to come. Kindly, what do we do when it's high? What do we do? Will someone will post what to do?
Well, I'll tap in this. I mean, you want to say what she can do, Brandon, or I'll just tap in. You probably piggyback after.
Yeah, you can tap in.
Okay. So just want to let you guys know, none of us here is a financial advisor. So let's put that out straight. Every time we do our channel, we do say we're not a financial advisor. However, we are giving you guys basically our journey, our opinion on things. Okay. Everybody on here is responsible on what you're going to do with your wallets, with your target, target price, on if you're going to exit completely or are you going to just take partial profits and keep the rest in there and all that stuff. Okay. So we can't tell you what to do. You're gonna have to get the knowledge and follow the charts and things of that. Well, we can tell you where price is at. So very simple. I'm gonna give you like the simplest thing. All right. Let's say you just get a calculator. And let's say, I don't know how much anybody have up in here, but I'm going to just use 1 billion. I'm just going to use 1 billion because it's easy for me to calculate off my head, right? So if anybody in here has a billion, mind you, you can just, whatever, if you have 100 million, you could do the same calculation, but I'm just going to use a billion right now, right? So if you have a billion tokens of Dogelon Mars and you calculate it by 1 penny, at that penny mark, you will have $10 million USD. I don't know wherever y'all all over the place at, but I'm talking about USD. You'll have $10 million in USD in your wallet. At that point, it's up to you if you want to keep riding it up or if you want to take partial profits. But it's easy for you to just do the calculation. Wherever price is at, take the amount that you have in your wallet and calculate. And at that point, you can figure out, do you want to pull partial profit? Do you want to pull anything at all? Do you want to keep it riding this thing up? It's up to you what you want to do. But everybody in here, they have their own target profit or where they want to take. Some people are taking a penny. Some people are probably taking it 10 cents. Some people are probably waiting for $1. That's everybody is like to each his own on that, So I hope I was able to kind of like answer your question on that. Again, we're not here as financial advisors. We just, we're just here sharing you our knowledge of it.
Right. And shout out to Charlene for that. We're definitely not financial advisors. We're just giving valuable, great information to you guys, based on our journey and what we have learned and have studied as well. All right. But I see, I guess Crypto has a chart pulled up. Or Pablo.
Can you see it well?
Yeah, I can see it.
You can see it. Uh-huh.
Yeah. So is Pablo coming back on or?
I don't know. I think something going on with this signal or something. It's not letting him log in. But I'm sorry, family. I ain't trying to like ignore you guys while I'm here. I'm just trying to have, Paulo on the live, and I feel bad that I can't get certain people on here because there's certain connections. I don't want you guys to think, I'm getting away from you guys. I want you guys to ask these questions. We have Brandon Page here, we have Charlene here, and we have myself. At the end of the day, as you guys see the charts, we're close to the thousands. Okay, it's nothing for us to gain a zero. Brandon, I don't mean to cut you off. We're gonna come back. You guys cannot be like so. This is the thing. I've been in crypto for a couple of years. Okay, I done seen the markets go up and down, and you guys, I know you guys are not putting in your rent money, your car note, car insurance, bill money. I know you guys are not doing that, so that shouldn't even be a situation that you guys are going through. Okay, you have to hold. You guys put this as an investment. Do you guys think you guys see your 401k when you go to work? You know what I'm saying? They got that locked away. So this is like basically your 401k, but your retirement plan. Okay, fam. So I'm gonna let Brandon finish speaking. Appreciate you, Brandon.
No problem, Crypto.
And then I believe Mr. Streets had a question on there for you as well.
Yeah, Mr. Street. What are you drinking on that red cup brand? I got some apple cider royal.
Apple Crown Royal. Yeah, I'm actually drinking Henny. So yeah, but yeah, guys, and also yeah. So just to piggyback off of crypto, um, what I really firmly believe, is that we are going to honestly trade back up and go and hit a penny. Like that's what I'm honestly seeing is us hitting a penny very soon. However, now as long as you guys aren't putting your rent money, all right, your bills and stuff like that into it, then yeah, that's honestly don't do that. Of course, like don't take money that you need to go and put it into investing. That's something that you don't want to do.
I always preach, don't take your bill money, rent, mortgage, car note, none of that. Not
Yeah,
even money for the kids, none of that. If you have a spare money, $20, $30, $40, a spare 100, and you want to invest, invest. But don't
hmm
break your backs. It's still time. That's why I said appreciate that the market is this low right now. We're shortly on going back to the 1,000, as Crypto said. We're
right.
right there, So we'll go back. That's why I said that we're gonna lose 3 zeros by the end of this year. Okay. And I'm not talking about from the 6 zeros we're at. This is just a fluke what we're going through right now. We're gonna
hmm
lose that 3 zeros from the original 5 zeros that we were at. Okay. So just stay positive. Just stay positive.
Hmm.
Just think about your generations. Just think about your children. If you don't
Right.
have children, think about your family because this is the ticket out, guys. This is the
Exactly.
ticket out, you know?
Exactly. This
And
is the
just
ticket
think
out.
too, think about it. Do you really know the value of the token that you have in your hand? Do you really, really know that value? Okay. Everything that Methuselah is doing, every project, everything they're doing, we are a part of that.
Right.
Remember, they're a part of the utility of our token. That's why, like, I did a video on Methuselah's Foundation Amicus paper. Definitely look at that video. Please do,
Right.
because I dissect that paper. Listen, I had to write a lot of papers when I was getting my master's in business. I have an MBA. Okay. So I dissected that paper left and right. All right. And I'm not doing it for myself. I already went to school already. you know, was planning on getting my doctorates. You understand what I'm saying? But I had to take a little break because of my brain with all the schooling, and stuff like that. So I mean, just just be positive. This coin is not going nowhere. We're good. We are good. Very
Right.
good.
We're definitely good. We are in a good place right now. Well, honestly, we are at a great price right now, guys. Like literally. So I really want to see it go down more so we can stack our bags and shoot up, honestly, May, June, July, around that time. Like you gotta think about it. Like it's not it's like success doesn't come overnight, right? It doesn't happen overnight. It's patience, having faith, in it, and also, believing in yourself as well, believing, in what you invested in too, that plays a huge role, Listen, guys, I firmly believe in Dogelon. I literally believe in Dogelon and I know where this is gonna go. I already know. So it's just like I don't even stress about it because I know the value of what I hold. I hold something that's precious, more precious than the diamond, guys. So just keep that in mind. You're holding something more precious than a diamond.
And this is what you need to do. Don't check your wallet like 10 times a day. Don't do it. Don't do it. Like, because it'll drive yourself crazy. All right. Just if you check it like maybe once a day, just to make sure that the coin amount is there, to make sure it's there. But don't check it like 15 times a day. Mm-mm. One day when you just check it, that whole money gonna skyrocket. And you're gonna be like, what the heck? You know what I'm talking about? Like you're gonna be
hmm
like, what? You know what I mean? So don't check it 10 times a day. Don't do that to yourself. I actually check mine in the morning and in the evening. just to see, make sure my token count is correct, just to make sure, you know what I'm talking about. And that's all I do, you know?
Right. Mm-hmm. So yeah, guys, I'm very proud
But yeah,
of
fam, like
I'm very proud of everybody.
they're still
Yeah,
up in space, man.
yeah,
What you saying, Brandon?
yeah. I was saying. So like, I'm just so proud of everybody here. I'm proud of all you guys. And I know where we're gonna go. Like we are hodlers. We are Dogelon Mars hodlers. We are Dogelon Mars warriors. Like literally, we are Martians. You get what I'm saying? So it's like we're different. We are different. So it's like we know what we hold. We know what we hold. But Crypto, I got a question. Are you ready to go see them aliens on
What's up?
Mars when we go up there?
No, that's what Elon Musk wanted me to do back in 2017. I kindly declined that. Kindly, I declined that. Yeah, I ain't doing that. I'm not doing. I can't do that. Honestly, I mean, the thing about it is, it's so crazy. This is the reason why I believe Dogelon Mars is going to shoot up. Okay, when I was working at SpaceX, I want you guys to understand everything that you guys are now hearing right now. I've heard about it in 2017. Everything is coming into light. Okay. They've been working on reverse aging, and that's huge. Space itself is huge. And when everybody get a chance, I want you guys to, if you guys have, watch the show called Space Force. Everything talking about right now is what's going on at this moment. Like I just found out that I live like 20 minutes away from Space Force. 20
Wow,
minutes away.
that's crazy.
And it used to be an abandoned Air Force base.
Wow, that's crazy.
This but we're gonna keep on going. Kindly. She said, I hear a lot of burn, let's burn Sheba. What does that mean? And will we burn too? First off, no, kindly. Thank you for dropping that question. If I miss any questions, or Brandon, I believe you've been answering a lot of questions. Thank you.
No problem.
Sheba, like everything is burning now. Every time they buy into Sheba, right now they're burning, I think, a certain percentage of Dogelon Mars on Uniswap, but we're not going to have a burn as if what's that token? I was just talking about with you today. Safe Moon.
Oh yeah, safe
Safe
phone.
Moon had a burn. Okay. Again, I'm gonna let everyone know. I held 8 million coins. I'm gonna let you guys know. I mean, I just dealt with a burn. 8 million coins. It left me with 8,000 coins.
Wow.
So I mean, do you guys really want to burn? I mean, it's not really pumping up the price if you really look at it. It's really not pumping up the price. So yeah, Shiba may burn, you know what I'm saying? But really do too much research on Shiba. What I know, the developers only invested $3,500 into Shiba.
So look at that.
So
Developer
no, we
on
want
Shiba
to have a burn.
So real quick, a developer on Shiba invested 3,500 into Shiba, threw it in a hole, and look within a year what happened, right? People was millionaires, right? Okay. With Dogelon Mars, the developers, it was $100,000 they threw in a hole. They're not going to waste that money. They're not going to waste that money. And we have so much utility behind this token. It's not even funny. Okay. So I was asking everybody to be patient because this thing will skyrocket.
And also, I'm not going to cut anybody off. We're going to try to do a Twitter live, not just the space. We're gonna try to play around with that so we can have more people come on and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Test out different platforms for all of us. What were you trying to say, Charlene?
No. I was just saying, regarding the liquidity, like the 3,500 that SHIB did, and Dogelon, they had 100,000 I threw in a deep hole, and they're not just throwing that money just to throw the money. You understand what I'm talking about? They have
Right.
major utility behind this token.
So here's Paulo's question. He says, ask this one question to the doubters. What is their reason for feeling bearish when our catalyst looking very strong? That's what we like. Just because you guys we ain't gonna go anywhere, like what Charlene been saying and Brandon. Like anything can happen. And I'm not just saying it just to say it. We have a lot of positive outcome with Dogelon Mars. Everything that you guys heard on the AMA with Dogelon Warriors with David Goebel, it's basically everything that we've been saying to you guys day by day in these videos. Honestly, if you guys really paid attention to all our videos, we answer all the questions that you guys ask.
And with our videos, with me and crypto videos, whatever we bring to you, the content that we bring to you, you can always verify it. You can always verify and research it yourself. We're not bringing you foolishness. We're bringing you facts. We don't have time for the foolishness. We don't have time. We're bringing you pure facts.
And thank you kindly for the super chat. I just seen it. Thanks to my new family. We all are family. We all are family. Okay, Trucker Rail. Don't forget about our tectonic. Honestly, I didn't grab into that, but if you guys did grab into those digital currencies, kudos. You guys are up. You guys are up. But at the same time, like, we're definitely going to be up as well. You see, XRP moves the last. It moves the last, but it moves the fastest. Okay? Same thing with Dogelon Mars. Yeah, we may be the last digital currency on the boat, but when we move, we will move. It's not about we're going to take a pit stop. Right now, we're just chilling right now. It's only about you guys. If you guys are going to invest and buy in your bags and hold and watch the movement. Texas boss will Elon will be a governance token. Let's see. Yep. Dogelon Master, Crypto Brown is here, my brother. Okay. Anybody want to come on live? Feel free. I was speaking to Clay today. He might be on tonight. Who knows? But if anybody has questions to ask him, feel free as well. But Charlene or Brandon, anything else you might want to say?
Just want to say if anybody's questioning anything about what's on, like I know they don't have an official white paper out there. Just go to my channel, follow me. I put a great video out regarding the utility. You can watch it. For me, I don't need a white paper because I know the value of the token I am holding. For real. No jokes aside. You know what I'm saying? I know the value of this token. So, I just don't want nobody to have any kind of FUD at all. Period. Point blank.
No FUD.
This is a no FUD zone, okay?
No FUD zone, guys. But yeah, guys.
Now, if you guys follow me on Twitter, what you guys got to start paying attention is what okay, I'll be tweeting posts. It's not just any type of post I'm just retweeting and all this other stuff. Like I forgot her name. Start with an L, and she's with Methuselah Foundation. And if you guys remember when Elon Musk was saying that we need to populate the Earth more, make more babies. Right now they are experimenting artificial womb. I
Follow.
can't be against that, but I want you guys to understand, like, we need more population. People are dying off because of these diseases. And rest in peace to anybody, family members that had died about COVID-19. That was horrific. No one had to go through that. I lost a lot of people. But at the same time, he's trying to bring more life, have more life. Okay. So with this currency, I know it sounds like I'm repeating myself like a record, but I want to let you guys understand, like, the utility of Dogelon is supreme. This is not like any other token.
Right. And
All I
just to
need is a penny and I'm gold. What were you trying to say, Dave? Bro?
yeah, so like just to piggyback off of crypto, we are holding a supreme token. This is guys like and like what I feel like some of you guys, not all, but some are lacking research, lacking doing research. And if that's not the case, you may be doing your research. It's something else. You're not really believing in this token. You're not believing in yourself. You get what I'm saying? Because I did my research, me personally, and also, I could testify for Crypto Brown and Charlene. They done their research. We believe where this is going. We know the value of it. We know the worth. We know where price is heading to, right? We know where price is heading to. So it's just a simple fact that, guys, you got to just sit back and just continue to hold. Like, literally, don't get scared. Don't get scared of the pullbacks. The market trends up and down, up and down, up and down. But overall, we are bullish. All right.
Yep, you're right. So right now
Action.
I'm just on my Twitter. I'm just trying to find out that tweet.
Yeah.
So Ghost Surfer, you really gonna ghost on? You really gonna ghost on it? You're not gonna take partial credit and just stack the rest? You're gonna ghost after you get the penny? You're gonna really sell at the penny?
He gonna ghost.
You
Don't
say you're gonna
ghost.
ghost?
Ghost surfer. You gotta hold it.
No, I
Hold.
mean, yeah, he could take partial credit,
Yeah.
partial at the penny, but when he said ghost, okay, it could be a couple of things here. Whether he's ghosting from everybody at the penny, which is cool, go do your thing, or is he gonna ghost and just exit out completely? I wouldn't exit out completely. That's just I'm not a financial advisor.
Yeah.
I have a master's in business. I'm not a financial advisor, but I wouldn't exit at a penny because this shit right here it's gonna go to $25.
Yeah.
It will. It will.
25.
After that dollar, it's gonna run up to $25. So just imagine if you have a billion. I just put it out there because it's more easier calculation. You have a billion at $25. Man, I can't even count them damn zeros.
It's like zeros after zeros after zeros.
Okay, he said just half stake there. Okay, got it. I see your comment. Just half and stake the rest. Okay, got it. But you might be ghosting from people. I don't blame you. I'm
Yeah,
agreeing with
facts.
that one. I'm making my head myself.
Yeah, definitely ghosting from people. But yeah, family. Any more questions, guys? Kindly, I need to get 10 billion tokens so I can get 10 million. And kindly continue to stack your bags.
No,
And
kindly. You don't kindly. You don't need to have to get 10 billion to get
oh no
10
no
million.
no, yeah, 10
Is that what she
million.
said? Is that what
Yeah,
she said?
I need to get 10 billion tokens so I can get 10 million. No, kindly, that's not.
No,
No
kindly.
no
No, no,
no
no, no,
no.
no. If you want to get 10 billion, go ahead and buy 10 billion if you have the money.
Yeah.
If you have 1 billion tokens, okay, 1 billion, and it goes to a penny, 1 billion times a penny equals 10 million USD. That's what I was just using the billion mark. I ain't telling you out there to get 10 billion. I'm not telling nobody how much to get. I just use a billion because it's easier for me to explain. Everybody's grown here, and I would hope everybody know how to use a calculator. I would hope. I
Yeah.
pray and hope everybody know how to use a calculator. Okay. And basically, if you have 100 million times that by a penny, then you'll see how much you get. If you have 10 million times that by a penny, you see how much you get. I am just using the example of 1 billion. You don't have to 10. Oh shit. You don't have to do all of that, you know? So
Yeah. And also, Mr. Street, the good thing is you have Elon coin, whether if you want to go to Mars or not, you'll be able to say I can afford to go. Right, Mr. Street? You know? Elon coin, that's amazing. You know? It's just like wow, like it's crazy. You know, I can't even wrap my head around it. Like, you know, like guys, like you don't know what we hold. Like we hold something very precious. And I'm just so grateful and proud, like literally. Like, you know, it's amazing. We bounced back from 50% loss. Crypto, can you answer that?
Yeah.
Apollo?
Yeah, he says reports of the whole space will be very big and prosperous. We bounced back from a 50% loss. And like the video I have last night, okay, all of these digital currencies that has utility, it's not just anything. They're like brand new innovation in this space. Innovation, brand new softwares in this space. So you guys have to understand that mainly a lot of these digital currencies will go up.
Right.
It will go up. So that's what he's saying, like, you know, alcoholic zone. We're gonna bounce back.
Yeah,
We're
that's
gonna
facts.
bounce back.
You know, and shout out to Apollo for that. You know, I remember when Apollo was saying, you know, that when we was down 25-30%, I believe last week, you know, that was a hard pill to swallow, and it was. You know, I was like, wow, like we're down 30. We were down 30% that day, just like. But then again, you know, we shot back up, you know, and we were ranging. Well, what I've seen, we you know up 15, 16, 18% this week, you know. So yeah, Dogelon Chris 90. Do you have to pay taxes if you sell and use a crypto.com card? And curious things moving fast. Y'all see a penny being impossible this year?
man, Dogelon Chris, you already done know. Like this thing move on its own. I mean, like I see 3 zeros being dropped, but who knows? It might surprise me and become a penny this year, you know? As far as the taxes thing regarding the card, I know somebody had asked about that on the Twitter space. I don't know the answer to that. I can't answer that. I would say to reach out to customer service and just find out as a particular question, because that's a good question to find out. I mean, being that the cell is going to be in the wallets, and you're not externally taking it out to your bank account, would you have to pay taxes on your crypto.com card? Is a very, very good question. But maybe if you could reach out to customer service rep and come back on our Twitter space and let us know the answer, that would be definitely great. For
Right,
real, for real.
right. A big Chris 0.01 this year. Most definitely. We hit in a penny this year. It's coming. Shout out to you, Big Chris. Corey Graham. Ready to see how powerful Dogelon Mars is. Corey, Dogelon is very, very, very powerful. This coin is truly, truly, truly powerful. Like what we hold is, way beyond gold, silver, metals. Like we hold like something very different. You know, it's just so much value. But shout out to you, Corey Graham. C Rock 808. April's gonna be eating zeros. Exactly. Like, and that's what I was feeling as well. Like May, April, June, July. Like I really see it eating up zeros like crazy. Definitely, definitely, definitely. So shout out to you, Steve Rock. Gold Surfer. I'll bring the fajitas. Was definitely Dogelon Master. I've had Dogelon Mars for a long time. No exit plan. Don't worry about small drops. Facts. Don't worry about small drops. Just know that those pullbacks are always going to occur in the market. Rather if it's stock, forex, or crypto, like it happens all the time. It's normal. All right, it's normal. So most definitely, shout out to you, uh, Kevin Bradley. When we hitting Mars, bro? Very soon, Kevin. Very soon.
And C-Rock, we know we have to pay taxes because of capital gains, but the question that Dogelon Chris was asking, it was a different question. He wanted to know once he like sells some of his Dogelon and put it into his wallet and use the card that the crypto.com would give, does he got to pay taxes? And that's something that I cannot answer. I don't know if you know the answer, but that's why I told him to reach out to customer service rep with the company so they can find out, because that's kind of like a touchy question. We already know we got to pay taxes, and I know for sure when the money, when you sell it and put it in your bank account, you have to pay the taxes on that. We know we all got to pay taxes.
Right.
Everybody pay your taxes. But
Yeah.
his question was something that was asked last week, but I still haven't gotten the answer to that yet, So that was a kind of like a tricky, not saying a tricky question, but it's one of those that maybe you don't have to pay taxes and maybe you have to pay taxes. It's one of those. We just don't know the answer to that. So that's why I was saying if he could be so kindly and reach out to them and come on the space this week and let us know,
Right, most definitely. Shout out to you, Charlene. I also want to piggyback off of Charlene. Guys, we you already know that we're all gonna make a lot of money. We're gonna be multimillionaires, multi-billionaires, trillionaires, gazillionaires. That's the word. But it's like when that money hits your bank, definitely pay your taxes, for sure, because like you don't want to not pay your taxes and then the IRS come looking for you. Like now, it's just like you're gonna be in a whole heap of trouble, and it's like no. So to avoid the feds looking for you, stuff like that, pay your taxes, and just like, and the remainder money you have, that's all yours, but just pay your taxes, So most definitely, Mr. Street.
The tax percentage, I do see something up there. I want to say it just depends. It could be from maybe 25 to 30%. I guess it depending on your state where you live at, because some states do have state taxes. But I would say anywhere between maybe 25 to 35% or 30%. I'm not too sure. You may want to check with an accountant.
Right. Yeah, definitely check with an accountant. And Mr. Street. Government is working on taxing crypto holders annually on your gains. There are upcoming situations creating an IRA retirement plans for crypto holders. Keep your eyes on this. Well, I didn't even know that, Mr. Street.
But Charlene, would you like to answer that though?
That is no, I don't even know that. I didn't even know that. That's very good. That's real good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do some more research on that, but that's really good. Yeah, because if you create the IRA, then you wouldn't have to really pay taxes. Just go straight to the IRA.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So, or if you got you got like two different IRAs out there, the Roth and the other one that you could probably pay your taxes and still kind of take some money out. So, but that's good though if they do that.
Right. Big Chris, I'm just saying realistically, aside from anyone's opinion, the only risk would be a rug pull or going out of business. I certainly don't see that happening, period. Really, 3 years, not even 5 years. Charlene, would you like to answer that from Big Chris?
If you follow me on my YouTube channel, there's a video that I did like in the beginning, like what is Elon, what is Dogelon Mars, basically. And I went through all of that regarding the liquidity, the $100,000 that they put in the pool, right, in the black hole. They're rug proof. They're a rug proof coin token. That's what they are. If you go to that video, you'll see all my explanation on there, you know. But nah, this is not a rug proof. This is not a rug pull. A rug proof.
Yeah. Don't need no people knocking on my door. Spider 075. Big Chris, it's almost stupid not to buy this. Last week, it was like up 0.55. 4 million people already got rich just from that dip. Yeah. Crypto Scout NJ, they tax higher on short-term hold for less than a year, lower on long-term holds, which is more than a year. I didn't even know that. Dogelon Masters, if you have to pay taxes on your tokens and coins, could be safe, coins safe and not scam the government, except crypto is a sign. Definitely, heavy on the paying taxes is definitely something that you guys need to implement. For those who don't want to pay those taxes, definitely implement paying taxes once you make your money from Dogelon Mars. Not a financial advisor though. Kevin Bradley, who would have thought that the price of one pair of Yeezy invested into this coin can make you a multimillionaire? This is crazy. Facts. That's crazy. Crypto Scout and J Tech site. Ernesto Kelly, I have to check it out to stuff my bags until definitely. Kindly, yes, I need to buy land. Yes, definitely. Land is definitely something that would be great to have in 2022 because think about it, like, if you buy land with crypto, I don't know if we'll be taxed on that buying land with crypto, because like what I really see honestly is Dogelon Mars becoming a cryptocurrency for Mars later on in the future. So imagine like, going on Mars and then buying land with Dogelon Mars token, well, like the currency itself. That would be amazing.
I honestly, guys, I really see this that, and I don't know when. I can't tell you it's going to be next year or whatever, but I do see this token to go really high as a BTC, as a Bitcoin. I really do see it with the amount of utility it has on there. But real quick, we are gonna cut this YouTube live short. However, we're moving it over to the Twitter space. Okay. Crypto Brown just dropped the link. Reason being that we have Paulo who have a lot of wealth of information and he's ready to give it to us. For some reason, he can't log on. He's having issues. So we're gonna cut the YouTube live here, but we're going to go to our Twitter space. So if you can click that link that Crypto Brown dropped in the chat, and we're gonna continue this for about like maybe another hour over there. All right. Sorry I had to cut the YouTube short, but we're gonna continue it. We just won't have the face-to-face, but we'll have the space. Oh wow, that just rhymed. But we don't
Yeah, I like that one.
I guess it's the wine kicking in a little bit, you know?
the red wine.
Yeah.
All right, fam. So go ahead. I just started the Twitter space. Click on the link. Meet us there. Peace out, fam.
Peace out, fam.